Are you trying to figure out the timing on when to sell your home because you don't know what information to trust online anymore? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you 3 steps to take to help you decide if the time is right for you. Be sure to listen to the end for step number 3, which is actual market data that shows you the absolute best month to sell your Austin area home. This is going to eliminate the worry of you wondering if you maximized your profit and give you some confidence knowing that you didn't miss out and sell at the absolute wrong time of year. If we haven't met before, my name is Laurie Engle and I'm a top producing realtor that specializes in helping home sellers in the Austin area. So let's jump right in with step number 1. You need to decide if your current home meets your needs. So as you're living in your home now, think about whether it has the space you need for working from home or homeschooling your kids. If you no longer have a commute, are you in the neighborhood that you want to live in? Does it have parks and trails and outdoor activities, restaurants, shopping, whatever it is that you like to do? Does your current location meet your current needs? You know, the Austin area has so many wonderful neighborhoods for a wide variety of lifestyles. I truly love matching people to neighborhoods in this city. It's one of the funnest things that I get to do. And by the way, it's always the right time to move if your home isn't meeting your needs. The second step in helping you make a decision is to determine what your profit's going to be. I mean, how much are you going to make, right? Seriously, will you make an insane profit in this market? So your equity is determined by market demand. Guys, I'm seeing such large jumps in home prices right now that I can't ignore that we are currently in a real estate market cycle that's yielding top of market prices. So have you heard the old saying, buy low and sell high? This is a sell high point in time. So you need to really consider if you want to cash in at this time. I'm seeing investors who are now selling their properties and putting that money towards other projects. I'm also seeing couples selling their homes and moving overseas to follow that dream. And I'm seeing just a lot of people who simply want to move to their dream home or their dream location. And they can actually have that option with this type of market. Finally, number 3, and my biggest tip for you, is finding out the best time of year to sell your home so that you can maximize the profit potential. Okay, so homes in Austin sell all year round. We have a mild climate and people are constantly moving to this city. But if you want to sell your home when the most buyers are in the market and the competition among them is the hottest, then here's the data. We need to go back a couple years to 2020. The month with the most closings was July, which means the most buyers were looking for a home in June. So the next best months for closings were June and August. If we break that down, it means that the absolute most buyers in the Austin area were looking for a home from May through July. These are the top months for your home to be on the market in Austin. However, in 2021, there was such high demand for homes. We saw a very large number of buyers looking for homes starting in February that year. And I believe that 2022 is going to be very similar because the demand is still so high. So now you know the top things you should consider when deciding the timing of selling your home. If you feel like you're ready to jump in, you'll want to see my next video about selling your home when you're living with kids and pets and how to take away all the stress of dealing with showings of your home. Also, please let me know in the comments why you might consider moving from your current home right now. I'd love to hear about it. If you are still unsure whether this is the right time for you to sell and you just want to have a conversation with a real person who's not going to pressure you, you can book a quick phone consultation with me. I'm happy to answer whatever questions you may have and just talk through your concerns. And again, don't forget to watch my next video on selling your home when you've got kids and pets.